देखिए डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस हमारी क्लास में 12th क्लास में डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस जो जनरेट होती हैं कि एनी एक्सप्रेशन कंटेनिंग डिफरेंट डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, कांस्टेंट एंड डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट्स. डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल independent variable, dependent variable for a independent variable, constants and differential coefficients. Like any equation dy by dx plus d square y upon dx square plus x plus y x square plus 3 etc. This equation contain this is in case of dy by dx, d square y upon dx square are differential coefficients. X is the independent variable, y डिपेंडेंट. अब y इंडिपेंडेंट क्यों नहीं हुआ? y डिपेंडेंट क्यों हुआ इस केस में? a और 3 is constant because dy by dx, that is a rate measure coefficient. There is the change in variable y with respect to x. X is independent variable. There is a change. There is a change in dependent variable y with respect to change in independent variable. Variable x is solved because of this dependent variable. If we are talking about dx by dy, in that situation y will become independent and x is dependent. But generally we will talk about the dy by dx, d square y by dx square etc. Okay. In certain situations we can change dependent into independent, independent into dependent variable. ठीक है, 99% हमारे को तो इसी में ही बात करनी है. नाउ ऑर्डर ऑफ ए डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ऑर्डर इज द ऑर्डर किसके बराबर होगा? इट इज इक्वल टू द हाईएस्ट derivative present in a differential equation. For example, dy by dx raised to power 5 d square y upon dx square plus 3x y is equals to this. What is the order of the differential equation? Order. It is equals to the highest derivative. Which one is the highest derivative? Highest derivative. Highest derivative is d square y upon dx square. Okay. Therefore order is equals to 2. Then degree degree is the exponent of the highest derivative. Here the exponent is 1. Since the exponent of d square y upon dx square is 1, therefore the degree is now talking about an equation d square y upon dx square raised to power 3 5 d cube y upon dx square x cube plus dy by dx plus y. What is the order? Degree? Highest derivative is 3. Order 3 and degree 1. Second equation, dy by dx whole cube plus dy by dx minus sin square y. What is the order? Degree?
0.
क्यों?
इसमें साइन वाला होता है।
है क्यों? Yes. Order is 3 and degree is order is 1, degree is 3. It is also a polynomial equation. Since till the time it is a polynomial equation, we can define the degree. The highest exponent, the highest index of the variable is known as degree. But d square y upon dx square plus sin dy by dx is equals to 0. What is the order? Order is 2, but degree not defined. Why? Because it is not the polynomial equation. Because of this sin dy by dx. If any differential coefficient come as a variable of any trigonometric function or any other function, then it would then we can't say it is a polynomial function. Okay, it is not a polynomial. ये polynomial function नहीं है. That's not a polynomial function. Therefore, degree is not defined. Under root d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx is equals to d cube y upon dx cube square. What is the order and what is the degree of the differential equation is?
Order 3.
And degree?
Degree need to go,
इसे सॉल्व करने से पहले हम इसको सेपरेटली सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे रूट को. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स डी क्यूब वाई अपॉन डी एक्स क्यूब रेज टू पावर 4. Order is 3 and degree is 4. Okay. Y double dash plus y dash square 2y. Degree and order. Order is, yes, order is 2 and degree is raised to power 1. Now equations, differential equations, general equation. General differential equations. Containing are the equations, are the expressions containing arbitrary constants. Constants are known as general equations. Of the are known as the general equations. For example, y is equals to e raised to power x plus 1. 1 is constant. Y is equals to x square plus 2x plus c. C is constant. Y is equals to ax. A is, these expressions are known as general equations. And equations, particular solutions or solution of differential equations. Solution of differential equations, particular, we can say particular solution. Differential equations are those equations free from the arbitrary constants. For example, y is equals to ax. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to a into 1. Now substitute the value of a in equation first. We get y is equals to dy by dx into x, or dy by dx is equals to y upon x. This is the particular solution of given differential equation. It is necessary to note that the number of constants, any equation containing the number of constants will have the same number of the order of the differential equation, or the number of times the differential equation must be differentiated is equal to the number of constants. For example, if we have two constant in any equation, then we shall have to differentiate it twice. For example, y is equals to a sin x and b cos x. Now it has two constants. We shall have to differentiate it till 2 times. To replace these constants, at least 2 times. Okay, at least, at most 2 times, but we can differentiate it for single time as well as dy by dx is equals to a cos x minus b sin x. But to replace these constant, we shall have to differentiate twice. Differentiate again. D square y upon dx square minus a sin x and b cos x. Now taking minus common, a sin x plus b cos x. This is second equation. That was first. Dx square. Substitute first in equation second, we get d square y upon dx square minus y. This is the required differential equation. This is the solution of the general equation or required differential equation.